What's going on, guys? Today I'm working on my 89 Comanche. Ripping the door panels off because I gotta do restoration. Couldn't figure out these cranks, so thought I'd make a video on it. This little spacer, I'm just gonna leave that off for now. And what I did is get a small screwdriver, and it's kind of difficult with the door panel in the way, but you gotta come in here and pry up each of these tabs. So if you push it on all the way, these will clip over this little groove here. The easiest way I found is to roll the window down halfway. Stick your screwdriver in here, of course, two-hand job, and pry two off. Turn it a bit to get the third, and that's usually enough for it to pop off. To install, you just saw me, you just got to push it on pretty good there, and pretty easy. Couldn't figure it out. Some have a different snap ring. This should apply from, all the Jeep XJs and the MJ Comanche. That's what I have. So you do the cranks. Thanks for watching.